Said I'd never make a promise. Oh, that I can't keep. Got a problem, I can fix it, babe. Oh yeah, if you let me. Thinking I can make your body go crazy.
What's up, kings and queens? It's your girl Spreadblaze, and I'm back with another video. Today, we are doing something a little different. We're about to do a mukbang for y'all. Me and best friend are on our way to get some food. Don't judge me, because I don't know, it's my first time doing it like this, but we gonna have fun. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, also leave a comment, and we will see y'all when we get there. So we got food, y'all. Food. And today we gonna do mukbang conversation. And to protect the rights of everybody's friends and names and relationships, we gonna call them Sally and Sam. Sally and Sam. Best friend made the name, yeah. So, okay, you ready?
No.
Me neither, but okay. So, wait, we gotta have another person because it's the third person in it. Sally and Sam are married.
And Beulah.
And Beulah is, I guess, the side chick.
Okay.
Beulah is the side chick.
Okay.
So Sally and Sam are legally married.
Okay.
By paper. But they have not acted as though they are married in a while.
Okay.
They go on trips out the United States together. And they recently went on a trip.
Okay.
To Okay. So Beulah knew that Sally and Sam were at the airport and about to board the airplane.
Okay.
That was the last text received from Sally to Beulah, was that they was getting on the plane.
Wait, can I eat my crab legs? Can I eat them at home?
Yeah, that's the purpose of it.
Hello. Trying to be.
Trying to be cute. So, Sally and Sam's trip took about 5-6 days, maybe. They was gone 5 or 6 days. Beulah never heard from Sally.
You know, 5 or 6 days?
In the whole 5 or 6 days, Beulah heard nothing. But Sally posted things about the trip on social media.
Okay.
But never hit up Beulah.
Beulah and Sally talk every day?
Normally, yes, if they not fighting.
Okay.
So, Sally and Sam come back from wherever the hell they was. Beulah waits a couple of days and then sends a text and said, "Oh, so I guess y'all made it back." Beulah receives a text message of anger. The phone works both ways. You could have called me like I could have called you. But mind you, Beulah is the side chick and Sally is with Sam, which is the legal husband. So
rightfully, Beulah should not have called because that's disrespectful.
Regardless to if y'all together or not, correct?
Yeah, y'all went out of town together. Y'all went to together. Y'all went to together. This is something. It's something because if it wasn't, if I was on your mind, you'd have called me.
Like the whole seconds that it took you to post on social media, You could have took the time to reach out
Right.
to Beulah
True.
and say, hey, I'm having a good time, I'm safe. Or I ain't really had time by myself. Ooh, you just squirted on me. That's what she said. So, do we agree that Beulah
Wasn't wrong.
should not have reached out
No.
due to the circumstance?
Right.
Now, how do you feel as far as should Beulah trust what Sally say?
No, because Sally ain't proved herself with stuff like that.
Right. That make you get a side eye, right?
Right. You get a side eye from me anyway.
But we ain't talking about that. We're just saying in general.
I'm saying, like, the whole situation.
Like, and then not to mention, Beulah and Sally definitely wasn't supposed to be in the side chick relationship. It kind of just, from what they say, it happened like real fast.
Thank you.
Thank you. From what they say, it just happened.
But now I get that.
But they butt heads a lot too.
Stuff happens, but you gotta allow that to happen.
Right, but what happens because Beulah just on the outside looking in.
Right.
So feelings between Sally and Beulah are evolved, or at one point had evolved.
Okay.
But technically, there's nothing you can do because Sam still exists, whether it's sexual or physical.
So wait,
They still exist.
do Sam know about you?
Hell no.
Oh, no, something right then. Something right.
How can Sam know about Beulah?
If there's supposed to be nothing going on,
Yeah, but you,
do they live together?
yes.
So they cohabitate together.
Same house, different rooms,
So
and there's a child involved.
So if there is actually nothing going on and y'all just in the same house because of the child, and I guess bill's sakes or whatever,
Right.
there shouldn't be no secrets if it's nothing.
But technically, Beulah can't exist because on paper, by law, they married.
You can file for legal separation.
I don't know nothing about all that.
Well, I'm just saying, you can file for legal separation, so there's no issue. Because evidently, you still feel some type of way or in your feelings about them because they don't know about whoever you talking to.
But Sally don't know about Sam extra either.
That's what I'm saying. That's why it should be a legal separation. It should be a legal separation so that it ain't no issues. And everybody free to do what they want to do if there's really nothing going on.
All I know is I don't know. If I was Beulah,
For those that eat crab legs,
these are good.
that was the best.
If I was Beulah, I wouldn't hit Sally up either.
No.
Cause,
For one, it's a respect thing.
and what if Sam had been by the phone? Then they would have been all the way over there acting a fool. Who the fuck is this?
If it was really a problem, what's her name? Macy? What was the other person's name?
Beulah?
No, not
Sally.
Beulah. Sally. If it was really an issue and Sally felt the way, Sally should have just called and said, hey, I made it, I'm okay, we're here. Feel free to call me, you know, when you want to talk or whatever.
Or should have said that before they left.
Right.
See?
Some bullshit.
I don't know.
Some bullshit. You know.
But Beulah wants Sally to meet up, do a what's up, what's up.
Oh. Wait, why you stop too?
Because I want to show them, but I don't want them to, you know, somebody might know these folks, so.
Dude, I can't eat this corn while we're on here.
Eat the corn. Show them how you suck it.
Don't. You?
Eat the corn.
No, MMA.
Come on, Brett. I'm placing my hands up.
Yeah, but you ain't eating no corn.
I'm eating everything. Yeah. Thank you. Eat the corn, Brett. Just don't squirt it on me.
It's probably going to squirt.
You know how to get it. Oh, so you only got one corn in your mouth.
Oh, I thought there was some on my shirt.
Eat the corn. Eat the corn.
I ate the corn.
She trying to eat pretty. Look at her pinky. Look at her pinky, y'all. So, hurry up while I'm talking. You could have smashed it right quick.
Nah, I'm good. I got it.
So I told Beulah that I was on Beulah's side because I feel like if Beulah had called Sally or texted Sally and didn't get a reply, that would have made the situation worse.
So how does Beulah feel about Sally and the whole situation?
I don't know. I mean, the only thing I got out the conversation was it started out as a it is what it is type deal. And then it progressed into lunch dates and every day, and then they fight.
Like they the couple.
Right.
So yeah, I think Sally and Susie or whatever.
Sally and Beulah and Sam.
Sally and Sam. They're still together. And it's more than a...
Beulah be having a good strong side eye.
What I'm saying though, like...
But then again, but did we say it was like 14 hours difference?
Between Beulah and
Sally. I forgot that part. That's another key component to the situation.
What did I say that?
Well, I can't tell you after the video. I can't tell you right now just in case people know.
Well, I feel like Sally playing because Sally know that Beulah can't bust up.
But Beulah will bust up.
But Sally know that Beulah can't bust up right now.
Okay, so what if Beulah busted up and Sally did what she had to do?
Then okay, kudos.
Should Beulah bust up on Sally?
Yep. Just to see if Sally lying. I don't know. Just to see if Sally lying. Cause you know me, I jump in the car real fast.
And you know I ride. But we gonna have to get a plane ticket.
That's okay.
Cause you know Beulah our homie.
I'm just saying.
And we do anything for our homies.
Well, you should. My thing
It's
is
a
this.
piece of bread.
No, it's a piece of egg.
But why it look like a piece of bread on this side?
Because it's a brown.
I don't want that in my bowl. So
It's too many feelings involved, first of all.
but I can't even say that it's feelings though. Cause the way Beulah talk, she just making it seem like, you know what I'm saying, they vibe.
Do Sally feel like that?
I don't know that they've discussed it.
It's a problem because the conversation is being had. If there was no feelings involved, it wouldn't even be a problem. Who cares if you call? Who cares if you don't?
But if you talk to somebody every day and they go out the country, you want them to say, I'm okay, no?
True, but don't get mad when I don't call or don't text and don't check on you. You know?
I mean, I would feel like if we side chicks, I feel like the side chick has the main chick responsibility to the side chick. We supposed to say something. No? Especially if you've been getting from day one.
See, this is why I don't do side chick shit. I haven't. Because my attitude ain't set up for stuff like that.
I mean, I could be a good side chick. Slanging that wood. Hit me up.
Did you just plug?
Plug the
yourself
wood.
like that.
Oh, wait till you see my hat. It's gonna really be a plug. I'm gonna wear it every
Just straight
video.
up plug yourself. To be the side chick.
I'm just saying, until my main chick opportunity come up, I'll be a side nigga. Must be able to cook.
Lord.
Must got alright looking feet. I do, please.
So they got hair alright feet.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And must. What else?
Must be able to persuade me to like you.
I was just gonna say, must gotta make my best friend like you. But wait, you don't gotta like the side chick, do you?
You said you was gonna be the side chick.
What you?
I don't like
guess.
nobody. Personally.
You ain't never like nobody I dated.
Yeah. Yeah. You had here.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa. Initials? First name? First letter?
I like Pinky. I like Pinky.
I did not, out of all the people, I did not think you was gonna go there.
I like Pinky. I did.
Of course you did.
I like
You
Pinky.
still like Pinky? Anyway, you like Pinky.
I like Pinky. I like. I ain't never liked
You're not supposed to say names. It's the internet.
Is that her real name?
Yes.
Oh,
Bleep you bleep.
I never liked that one. Cause I always felt like she was on some other stuff.
Okay, listen. I say who do you like? We ain't going through no
I think I
list.
like none of them.
You only like Pinky.
I like Pinky, and I like.
Oh, her feelings gonna be so hurt. that you don't say her.
And that's probably why I'm not saying it on purpose.
You want to hurt her feelings? Cause let you tell it. That's your best friend.
But she is. I love her. I didn't like her. I love her. I do. I love her.
So 2 out of 80, best friend?
I love her. Oh.
Okay.
Shout out to Pittsburgh. My favorite team's hometown. I mean, home state.
Oh wow. The shade is real.
So that one right there.
Why though?
Because that one should have been your wife. To me.
It's time to end the video.
It's not. Oh, my hair's sticking up. It wasn't at first though.
Wow. How do you figure that though? You don't know enough.
Because it wasn't. She wasn't trying to.
You don't know enough.
No, she wasn't trying to persuade me to like you.
To like me?
To like her? For me to like her. That's what I mean. She wasn't trying to persuade me to like her. Like, we just automatically click. You know what I'm saying? And and who else? Somebody else.
I feel like you're trying to run my check up.
What you mean?
Is there somebody else?
I'm trying to get you in trouble.
I ain't get in trouble. I'm single. And ready to mingle.
Oh.
Kinda. I am currently. Reviewing applications.
I like short stuff. Inbox.
Really?
She was alright.
I just felt like not.
I just felt like she was on bullshit. She was always on something, and it's like she just wanted y'all to argue all the time.
Oh, that shit. We arguing now.
You know what I'm saying? So, when I be trying to stay out of stuff, you know the one I just did not like.
P.
Yep. Yep. I want to straight up beat her.
See my best friend.
I want to straight up beat her. If you watching, I still want to beat you up.
Don't listen to best friend, man.
I do. And you lucky she was holding it. Because I
She over it. He's over it.
Alright. I almost beat you up.
And if you watching,
she was alright until that night.
when she was trying to run me over.
She was in front of my damn house playing.
That's nice. She tried to run me over.
Anywho.
How did we get over my people?
But that's what you said. I don't think you don't ever like nobody. You get along with Beta. That's pretty cool, huh? Just had a flashback.
I don't want to know.
You know.
She ain't even in here.
She don't see it. Thank you.
That's funny. Thank you.
You gotta read your fortune.
Oh.
Do you take water?
No, I'm done.
Are you not taking water?
No. Thank you.
Do you need two waters?
Yes, please.
Yeah, I'll take one. That's fine. Thank you. Yes, ma'am. So, yeah, that conversation just went left. But we got fortune cookies. So we
Why
get
you
to
ever eat your fortune cookies?
Nope.
Why?
Kinda like it. You won't eat it.
My own.
So we read our fortunes and we put in bed on the end. Hao Tian means the day after tomorrow. Hao Tian. What is your Chinese word?
Green.
How do you say green? Lipsy. We gonna ask the waiter when she come back because I have no idea.
She don't know.
They is Chinese,
She
right?
don't know.
They not Chinese, or they might be Japanese.
They faking.
They faking. All right.
Pull her hair back real nice.
Oh. Mine is straight up truth today. Your smile shines in a crowd in bed. Hey. You know how to read these?
I'm not Chinese though.
I know. Can you try to pronounce it?
I guess yeah.
I don't know. I was like,
You are the good at the Chinese.
You're right. Yeah, right.
I told her you wasn't Chinese.
I knew they wasn't, but she still could have been able to pronounce it.
It's totally different.
It's okay. Thank you.
You got a great night.
You too.
Thank you too.
So what you would say?
Your target is not very far ahead.
Oh,
I'm coming home, baby.
let me find out. You're on your way. Yeah, I'm looking kind of cute. Hey. Alright, this ends the video. Make sure you do it
Like and subscribe and
Yeah.
comment below.
down below. Until next time.